Okay, welcome back. Today we're gonna test this amp. The purpose of the test actually is for sell this amp. Just want to show you. Okay, first, this is actually, I can say this is a brand new amplifier. It's only used for the competition from the previous owner. It's never driven very hard, never been on too long. If this thing look not very clean, yes, because actually the paint of this amplifier is rough surface, so yes, they're collecting some problem here. See, I think it should be able to clean, but I'm not sure how to clean it. I'm gonna check later. Okay, actually I've already set for the power and everything else. Also the music was already turned on. All I have to do now is just to turn on the power. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is the setting for the lowest level. Okay, you can check about the channel. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but this is balanced from the right and the left. Okay, let's turn it off. No pop-up sound as you expected from the brand new amplifier. And also, like I said before, this amplifier is used for the competition, for SQ competition. So there's supposed to be no problem on it. Why the previous owner sell it? Because they have to upgrade the system again. Well, I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video. Bye bye.